Okay, here we are at the cabin. Welcome to spring. It's March 23rd, 2004. And we're supposed to get 12 to 18 inches. You can see some of it's started. It's probably about, I don't know, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It's a Saturday. And I've already been out there twice, so that it's not going to be too much. So this was all already cleaned off. You could see with the solar panels, not really. Some of it was already cleared, and you could see I drove down the driveway, but it's coming down about 2 inches, 1 to 2 inches an hour. It's so beautiful though, isn't it? I went to Wonderland. Ooh, look at that bird, just came right there. The birds are out because oh, there's another one, because the feeders still have some stuff in it, although the bears are starting to come out, so you gotta take them down. Oh, that's nice. Gotta cook my steak out here tonight in the snow. Alright, just a short little clip. Can't get over there. See, the birds are flying out. Alright, the battery's running down and Jakey's loving it. Oh, yes. Dad, I got snow. Yes. Wow. It's rocking and rolling, that's for sure. Almost done with the firewood too, just in time. 4 cords for the year. Still no garage. Okay, just a short one. Until next time, God bless.